Alright, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I built an AI automation for this D2C e-commerce brand. So this guy posted this job on Upwork asking, hey, I want an AI automation engineer for my D2C e-commerce. You are seeking an AI automation engineer to build internal tools for DTC e-commerce brand. You'll help create workflow, improve operation, reduce manual effort, and support day-to-day business needs. The role includes designing and implementing automation solution, integrating system, and improving internal process. Ideal candidate will have experience building practical tools that solve real business problems and even work independently in fast-moving environment. Hell yeah, you come to the first place. So these are the 4 things she asked me to build for her. I'm just going to show you what I built in just a minute. So my name is Mahmoud Hussain. I run Mizan AI automation agency where I help businesses implement AI into their business like e-commerce. So come to my website and book a call with me. This is my AI agent. Chat with her. She will book your call with me. And you could also look at the AI agent I have created, like this voice agent, these systems for e-commerce brand marketing, etc., etc. So come to my website, book a free discovery call with me, and then we are going to map out how AI can be deployed into your business. And then I will build the solution and I will deploy it and you will run it. And if it didn't bring you, or if it didn't increase your ROAS, I'm going to walk away and you will keep the setup. So let's get back to the video. So as I said, she's asking me to build her 4 things. First of all, customer support agent, and then Facebook and Instagram comment responder and inventory management, and then Amazon PPC search. So I have written them down here in a clean way like this. So a customer support agent, I could build that, and a Facebook and Instagram comment responder and inventory management. I actually built all of this. I'm just going to review them in this video and see how they are going to be done. So I built all of this with Cloud Code automation, and they are running in routine. So I myself run e-commerce brand. This is my store, and when you come to rapio.co.uk, you will see I have many products. You could come and buy a product if you would like. If you have a neck pain, you can come to my store and sell. I will buy this product from me. So first of all, we built this customer support agent for the Shopify store. So this is a customer support agent workflow. As you can see, I built it in n8n, but I'm not actually use n8n for my AI automation. I actually use Cloud Code routine for this. This is just give me a clean visuals so I could implement this and see how this workflow, how the data is moving. So first of all, when an email arrives, here's an AI agent. We are using OpenAI here. It's going to check the orders data, work out what they want. And so we have 2 ways. If they don't want refund, if they're just asking about the order, about their tracking number, where's my order, it's going to send them the tracking, check their order from their store first, from my store first, and then it's going to write draft and then notify me about that draft in Telegram. If I approve, it's going to send it. If I didn't approve, I want to edit the email, I want to edit it. Why I didn't automate this? Because sometimes AI is just hallucinating and it will send reply that's not good. So I want to see the draft and then I will approve. And then if I approve, it's going to be sent. But if the order involve any return or refund, so here's the classification. If return or refund is false, it's going to write the draft reply and it's going to wait for my approval. And if it involves return or refund, is it true, it's going to ask me on Telegram to approve the return or refund. If I did approve, it is true, it's going to get the order, write the refund message and reply. And if I didn't approve the refund, she's going to draft decline and it's going to tell me that the decline draft were written. And if I approve, it's going to send that decline as well. So this is a simple AI customer support agent for Shopify store I've built. It's just a visual demo, but it's actually running on the back end of my Cloud Code. As you can see here, it's running every single day. All these runs, I will see them running. So this is the back end of my Cloud Code. So a trigger.dev Rapio agent. So I'm just going to test this visually with you here. I'm going to send an email for my store email. So my store, call her name Rapio, and the subject, I will say refund, and I will say, hey, I didn't receive my order. I want a complete refund, please. So I'm going to send this. I send this to my Rapio store agent. So this is my email, and that was my Rapio store agent. So I should receive an email here. That is an email I have received. This was the email earlier I sent for test. So let's just check my Telegram to see if it actually sent that or not. So this is my Rapio agent here on Telegram. It sent me, hey, there is a refund sent from Mahmoud Hussein. It's written the draft here, as you can see. Hey, customer requests a refund. So the draft is here. Thank you for reaching out. If I approve, it's going to send. If I decline, it's not going to send. So I'm just going to approve and then approve. Yeah, it is approved. Now, when I go back to my email, I should see a reply. I should see a reply from my Rapio agent. So there it is. Rapio Collective sent me an email. So as you can see, hey, good news. We have approved and processed your refund. No further action required. The refund will be returned to your original payment and method. So that was pretty cool, pretty quick. So let's just execute here manually and see how this is going to turn out. So as you can see, another one is waiting for me. That is, I think, this was earlier one, and this was the one I have just sent. Let me decline and see how it's going to go. Decline, and then see another email. I should receive another email from a Rapio agent. Just in a minute. If it's false, it's going to draft decline here and tell me it was declined. So the return and has declined and drafted on my Gmail. So I'm going to go to my Rapio Gmail and see. So this is my Rapio account. When I go to draft, I will see the draft. Hey, thank you for forgetting about the order. She declined this. Write the reason here before sending. There's a bug here. But yeah, this was our customer support agent, how it is working. The workflow is work like this. So the second thing is the inventory management or the inventory manager. So it's every single morning is going to check my store, and where I have low stock, it's going to alert me on my Telegram. And if I approve the purchase, it's going to purchase more from my supplier. And yeah, this is just a simple inventory management every single morning working. As you can see, it is still draft, is not working here. So, and also I have this comment replier is going to check my ad account or my Facebook account every single morning. This all automation is not working on end. This is just giving me a visual demo, but this comment responder actually working on this platform at the back end of Trigger the Dev. When you come to task, you will see I have ad monitors monitoring my ad. Any comment on my ad is going to not the admin. So as you can see, I have social media engagement poll. It's running every single hour to check if there's any comment. If there's anything, it's going to draft a reply and send. So all the runs were successful. As you can see, this is a task called social media or social engagement. And also I have another one, ad monitor. This is just monitoring ad every other hour and just report back to me if there's anything on my ad account need my approval or need change. And then I have weekly products suggest. It's just like an inventory management, but it's kind of just suggesting, not tracking my inventory. And then yeah, these are the things she asked me to build, and I actually built it pretty quickly and pretty straightforward. Like 1 hour took me 2 hours to build, and since I already have a few of them running on my store, so that's why it didn't took me too much time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to automate your Shopify store, completely build your Shopify Ecommerce AI operating system, I've built that on my free school community called AI Operator Lab. Come to AI Operator Lab, come to the classrooms, and then Ecommerce OS. This first classroom, download this folder, a zip folder, and just plug it into your store and start using it. It's a complete e-commerce operating system. It looks something like this. You have 21 cloud skills, and then you have customer support agent, comment responder agent, DM responder agent, UGC video creator agent. So as you can see, I have many agents here working. All the videos I've created with these skills and with these agents. So as you can see, the videos look pretty much realistic. So yeah, thank you for watching, and if you want me to automate your Shopify store, come to Mizan AI, chat with my AI agent, and she will book you a call with me. Thank you for watching again, and peace.